Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export to an Outlook PST file. This is a useful way to back up your emails or transfer them to another device. So let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the export features you'll need. Make sure everything is fully loaded before moving forward. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open up a new set of options. After the File menu opens, look for the tab labeled Open and Export. Click on it and the menu will expand to reveal additional options. From here, click on Import/Export. This will launch the Import/Export wizard, which is the tool Outlook uses to help you move data in and out of your account. Now that the wizard has appeared, look for the option that says Export to a File. Click on it to select it, then click Next to continue. The wizard will now ask you to choose a file type for your export. You'll see options like CSV and PST. Click on Outlook Data File, which is the PST option, to select it. Once you've selected it, click Next again. The next step is to select the folder you're trying to export. This could be your entire inbox, a specific folder, or just certain emails. Click on the folder you want to export, then click Next to move forward. Now you'll need to choose where you want to save this PST file. Click on Browse and a File Explorer window will appear. This is where you can navigate through your computer and select the exact location where you'd like your exported file to be saved. Take your time here to make sure you're saving it somewhere you'll remember. Once you've selected the file directory, enter a file name for your exported PST file. Make it something clear and recognizable so you can easily find it later. After you've entered the name, click OK to confirm your selection. Finally, click Finish to complete the export process. Outlook will now begin creating your PST file and saving it to the location you specified. Depending on how much data you're exporting, this might take a few moments, so be patient while it processes. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Outlook data to a PST file, which you can now use for backup or transfer purposes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.